Let's fill out the Texas Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle: make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong: the VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer, write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. In Texas, when it comes to a vehicle bill of sale, here are the key things you need to know. For a donation, both the donor and the recipient must sign the affidavit and the title application. So make sure both parties are ready to put pen to paper. You will need to include the name and address of the seller, the date of sale, and vehicle information, including the VIN. The date of sale is important. You have 30 days to take care of the paperwork, so don't wait too long. When it comes to the odometer, you will need a properly signed title that includes the date of sale and the odometer reading. This is a required part of the process. When you transfer the title, the state title application will ask for the sale price and buyer information again. So keep this bill of sale handy and copy them across exactly. If there is a lien holder involved, they will receive the title, so keep that in mind as you work through the process. The seller also has the option to remove their license plates and registration sticker from the vehicle before handing it over. And if you need help with the title transfer process, you can reach out by calling 888-368-4689. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.